How to log in into your Zing HR account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Zing HR account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to search for Zing HR. So just search for Zing HR. And after you do that, you will see different options. So let me just head over to its official website. So this is Zing HR. Now if you want to log in to your account, you'll see the login button right here. Tap on login and there you should see your Zing HR login section. Now head over to this right hand section and there you'll find the company code. Type in your company code, then type in your employee code and then type in your password. After you do that, you can tap on login button to log in into your account. You can also tap on this remember me button to make your login process easier for your future. And that's basically how you log into your Zing HR account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.